Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. August 27, 2025, araw tayo ng Miyerkules, 7 karera pa rin, 5 p.m. start time. Race number 1, winner take all, nag-iisang 1400 meters. 3-year-old naman maiden race placers. Dito, pamprimera ako, number 10, Royal Salute with RC Baldonito. Panigundo ko 7. Robotic Play with JB Baikay. 10-7, race number 1. Race number 2, pick 6. Class 5, 17 to 41 split. 1-1 distansya natin mula race 2 hanggang race 7. Dito naman ako, number 7, Gugma with Chomer Estorque. Panigundo ko, numero 3, Wildcat with A.R. Ramos. Tapos sasama ko yung 1, Money for Sheltex with Marlon Laloma. 7-3-1, race 2. Race number 3, pick 5, class 4, 42 to 56 split. Dito naman ako, number 3, Neperior with K.A. Malapira. Panigundo ko 1, Moon River with E.A. Abrea. Tapos sasama ko yung number 6, Black Star with MP Cañete. 3-1-6, race 3. Race number 4, pick 4, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Dito naman ako sa 7, Victorious with RC Baldonado. Panigundo ko 8, Winsa Maxine with Jumel Lazaro. 7-8, race number 4. Race 5, Boling DD1, 17 to 41 pa rin, class 5. Dito naman ako, numero 4, Dorian with Pau Pau Jose. Tapos numero 7, Pass Sailing with Noel C. Lunar. Ito, tingin ko kalat to. Magiging kalat tong karera na to. 4-7, race 5. Race number 6, penultimate race, class 5, 17 to 41 split ulit. Dito ako sa 6, Grand Majesty with A.R. Villegas. Panigundo ko si Hang Loose, number 3 with Mark Alvarez. 6-3, race 6. Tapos dito tayo, race 7, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Numero 2, ang pamprimera ko, Swiss Royal with Pau Pau Guse. At panigundo ko naman si Golden Petita, number 6 with Apoy Asuncion. 2-6, race number 7. So, good luck po for racing. God bless.